Alright, something a little bit different again. 1988 Dodge 2.5 non-turbo EFI 4-cylinder. Local fire department was carving up an old caravan, and I'd been eyeballing it for a while, and they said, oh well, if you want parts, go get it before we scrap it. So okay, and I went and took a look at it. I thought, oh well, I don't have any of these parts in my collection, so why not? Let's see here. She is rough. So I think what happened is, if you look there, exhaust valve on number 4 either burnt or was possibly hit, one or the other. So that's what took the vehicle out of service to begin with. Then it sat with valves open, and yeah, the cylinder walls are not looking good. But where the pistons were living, you can still see the cross hatching. This engine is definitely not original to the vehicle from which I pulled it out of. The starter works, head turns over, the crankshaft, much to my surprise, is just about perfect. So I think I have a candidate, should I need it, for a rebuildable 4-cylinder. Though the piston number 4 was so seized in there, I kind of shattered it getting it out of the hole, but the other 3 popped out with no trouble. So what I'm hoping is I have to make a trip to the city here next week. I'm going to pick up a ball hone. I'm going to hone out these cylinders because I don't have a hone anyway. I'll hone out the cylinders, measure it out, the bores, see how it looks. The crankshaft measures out good. The camshaft measures out okay. So set of valves, set of pistons, and the gasket set, and the timing belt, of course, because it was for a ride. Should have enough to make a rebuildable engine out of this. Just something I'm working on the back burner with this thing called free time that I do not have. It's been a long time since I was in one of these kinds of engines. Anywho, I still live.